What's up, guys? Here we are down at the beach again. It's been graded up here, so we'll probably go around that and go to the other side near the groin is, but we'll start off over here. It's an average day, big storms coming in, so we'll see how far we get before we get hammered out. Once again, Equinox 800 detect dead shaft and a standard scoop. All right, away we go. Hey guys, I've got a 22-23 here. See how we go. It's been slim pickings this morning, but that's all right. Drop down to a 19 now, so there we go. All right, I'm in the scoop. Let's see what happens. Alright, we got a big beach sinker. That'll go in the tackle box, that's good. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, I got a 9 here. It's right in the middle of the volleyball courts. It's in the scoop. It'll be very interesting to see what this is. Been a lot of junk on this beach this morning, and that's no exception. Just more junk. Let's keep going. Okay guys, I got a 9 here. It's right in the middle of the volleyball courts. It's in the scoop. It'll be very interesting to see what this is. Been a lot of junk on this beach this morning, and that's no exception. Just more junk. Let's keep going. Okay guys, got a 17 here. We'll have another go. Alright, she's in the scoop. We'll tip it out and see what we can find. Oh. One of those phantom ones. Awesome. Let's keep going. Hey guys, got a couple of signals here. Got a 20, which looks like a dollar coin or something. I'm going to lower 2, I don't know what that is, so we'll dig them both and see what happens. Okay, the 2's out of the ground. And it is just junk. One. There. Deep. Looks like we got it. Maybe not. Something there. Bottle top. So that was a good dig for a bottle top. That's the stuff on this beach today. Alright, let's keep going. Okay guys, solid 10. See what we got here. Interesting. Yeah, it's in the scoop, so. Hey! 5-cent piece. That's good. Lots of rubbish on the beach today. Lots of rubbish. Not that good, but still. Every target's fun to dig. As you can see, that storm is getting closer. We're still in sunshine, but yeah, it's getting closer. So we're just going to go to the groin here. Just going to go to this groin, just past the surf rescue tower, and then call it a day. All right, let's keep going. Okay, guys, we've got another weird signal. It's been a weird day today. Between 13 and 15. That weird signal could have been the huge car that just went past, but should be right. So we'll dig this and see what happens. Alright, we've got it. Something in here. And it is... woohoo! Devil's Orchard. Oh well, that's what you drink when you're having some devil's lettuce. Oh, let's keep on keeping on. Very strange things today. Well, it is amazing what you find down at the beach, eh? Anyone lose some sort of tie and a pink bra? That's gold. Oh well. Okay guys, with this big storm rolling in, we've got a very big storm coming in now, so just going to finish off this do this volleyball court, and hopefully we can get out of the rain. Alright, I'll see you later on the wrap up, if I don't find anything. What's up guys, Nathan here from Nasquad Oz, and this is our wrap up. Some very strange day today down on the beach. Some of the things that I found were quite odd. Well, let's go through them. So I got this float for fishing, that's pretty cool. And on a fishing note, got a nice big heavy sinker, nice beach sinker, that's cool. Also got this hot rock, which just came back like a 10 or a 12. I thought that was very interesting. I got this weird hair tie I found on the beach, a magnifying glass, which was very strange, part of a key, that was pretty cool. Yeah, part of a key, and I got some pull tabs, and 2, 4, 6, 8 bottle tops. I found that really blue shell. I really liked it and thought, oh, so I picked that up. Just got some more junk. Then I got two $2 coins, so $4, 20 cents, 10 cents. That's been in there for a while, and a 5-cent piece. And then I got an arrow, and I think someone was using the arrow to hunt for dragons. So my son informs me that that's from How to Train Your Dragon. So all in all, really interesting day, but bizarre day. Alright, so if you like the video, subscribe to Nasquad Oz. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything, wing down below. Make sure you hit that like button and turn on your notifications for the next video. Alright guys, take care. Talk to you soon.